Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your online purchases on the Costco app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and track your online purchases. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Costco app. Next, click on Account on the bottom middle hand side. Now, once you're on this page here, scroll down and click on Orders and Purchases. And then on this page here, it's going to show all your orders and purchases online and in the warehouse. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your online purchases on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.